Tequila pop. Tequila pop is a lot better than butterflies and
cool.
flowers.
They're all the same, but they're sweet. Jitterbug.
Dungeon. Yeah, now I can actually see it. It's exclusive.
They're all exclusive.
They are?
I'll
That's
say
dumb.
that. I love those. Nice little. Alright, what's
No, I
next?
just got a dinosaur and then the dungeon one.
I bet you dungeon is just like the better one. Dinosaur is probably better.
Yeah. Yeah, the dinosaur ones would seem to be the better ones.
Those are awesome. Tyrannosaurus.
Here comes dungeon.
I bet you dungeon is exactly like green butterfly.
Yeah, it's probably a bunch of purple and red or something.
Probably me just the right part.
Wow. Whoa. They're shooting at us.
That one green thing like came right at my head.
Yeah.
Oh man. Now we throw them on the fire and see if we get it.
There you go. That was that's the end of that.